Hey there! It's time for NHK World Japan's Easy Japanese. I'm Eriko Kojima.
And I'm Michael Reese. Let's have fun learning Japanese together.
Today, Lesson 37 on saying that something's wrong.
Tam, a student from Vietnam, has come to visit Hakone with her friend Ayaka. They've checked into a hot spring inn, but there seems to be a problem in their room.
Listen to the skit for Lesson 37.
あれ？テレビがつきませんね。本当だ、おかしいね。フロントに電話してみます。すみません。テレビがつかないんですが。
少々お待ちください。担当の者が伺います。
Let's go through the skit line by line.
Tam has the remote control in hand and is trying to turn on the TV.
あれ？テレビがつきませんね。
Oh, the TV won't turn on.
Ayaka says,
本当だ、おかしいね。
You're right. That's strange.
Tam says,
フロントに電話してみます。
I'll call the front desk.
so she does.
すみません。テレビがつかないんですが。
Excuse me, the TV won't turn on.
The staff member replies,
少々お待ちください。
Please wait a minute.
担当の者が伺います。
We'll send someone up.
Tam did a good job explaining herself in Japanese, didn't she?
Yes, indeed. And now the maintenance person is coming to their room. Good for her. Listen to the skit once again.
あれ？テレビがつきませんね。本当だ、おかしいね。フロントに電話してみます。すみません。テレビがつかないんですが。
少々お待ちください。担当の者が伺います。
Today's key phrase is, the TV won't turn on.
テレビがつかないんですが。
If you remember this pattern, you'll be able to let someone know that something's wrong.
Here it is word by word. テレビ is TV, and the particle が indicates a subject. つかない won't turn on is the ない form of the verb つく turn on. The verb's ない form ends with ない and indicates something negative. Today's point is つかないんですが won't turn on. ですが is attached to the ない form of the verb.
As we learned in lesson 19, ですか can be used to explain your situation to someone and prompt that person to respond. In that lesson it was, I'd like a pair of gloves. 手袋が欲しいんですか?
Here, the verb in front of ですが is in the ない form. That suggests you're troubled because something you expected is not happening. The trouble in today's phrase is the TV won't turn on. テレビがつかない. Tam added ですが after it, and the front desk sent someone to take a look.
Now it's your turn. Listen and repeat. Try lowering your intonation toward the end of the sentence and speaking softly.
テレビがつかないんですが。テレビがつかないんですが。
Okay, got it? Now listen to a conversation between a guest and a hotel staff member. The guest seems to be having some trouble.
すみません。Wi-Fi のパスワードがわからないんですが。
パスワードですね。こちらです。
Here's what it means.
すみません。Wi-Fi のパスワードがわからないんですが。
Excuse me, I don't know the Wi-Fi password.
I'm sure you've come across that situation too. Wi-Fi is Wi-Fi, and password is パスワード. Don't know is わからない. It's theないform of the verb to know, わかる.
パスワードですね。こちらです。
The password? Here it is.
こちら means here.
Now listen and repeat.
パスワードがわからないんですが。Wi-Fi のパスワードがわからないんですが。すみません。Wi-Fi のパスワードがわからないんですが。
Now, maybe that sentence seems kind of long, but you'll get the hang of it. All right, let's practice some other situations. You're in a hotel and you want to enter your room, but the card key isn't working. How do you tell a staff member that you can't unlock the door?
Unlock is
鍵が開く。
the ない form of
開く。
to open is
開かない。開かない。
Now try saying it with すみません.
すみません。鍵が開かないんですが。
All set? Today's bonus phrase is what the person at the front desk said to Tam. Try to remember it as one phrase.
少々お待ちください.
This is a polite phrase used when asking guests or customers to wait. 少々 is a little while, and お待ちください is a polite way to say wait. The dictionary form of the verb to wait is 待つ.
Listen to how various people say it.
少々お待ちください。
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 All right, listen to the skit once again.
あれテレビがつきませんね。ほんとだ、おかしいね。フロントに電話してみます。すみません。テレビがつかないんですが。
少々お待ちください。担当の者が伺います。
はるさんの知恵袋。
Next up, Harusan's bag full of advice. Today's topic is Japanese inns.
Michael, have you ever stayed at a ryokan, Japanese inn?
Yes, I have, and usually just when traveling. And it's really quite a Japanese experience.
Mm-hmm. For example, the rooms at an inn typically have tatami straw mat flooring. You take your shoes off when you enter. And somewhere inside, you'll find a summer kimono called yukata. You can wear it for a stroll around the hot spring resort. Some inns bring to your room a beautifully arranged traditional Japanese meal cooked with local ingredients.
And of course, you can also enjoy chatting with the attendant who comes to serve the food.
Mm-hmm. After dinner, some inns roll out the futon mattress in your room while you're in the large communal bath. Many people like to take several baths during their stay, after checking in, before going to bed, and then again upon waking.
Wearing a summer kimono, having a nice soak in the hot spring, enjoying Japanese cuisine and sleeping in a futon. Well, you can experience a lot of Japan right there inside a ryokan.
We hope you enjoyed today's Easy Japanese.
Be sure to join us again next time.